Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to allow story replies in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Press on menu. Now scroll down. Here you can see messages and story replies. Click on this. In this option, you'll find here story replies. If you want to allow your replies in your Instagram, you just have to select the option of allow replies from all followers. That's it. So this is how to allow story replies in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.